In this tutorial, you will learn how to cut a short pixie haircut using short round graduation combined with increased layers, executed with technical precision. I'll also show you how to personalize and refine the shape to create texture, movement and softness. We are getting closer to our goal of 100k subscribers. And 90% of you who watch my channel aren't even subscribed yet. Lend us a hand and subscribe today. We start the haircut with round graduation, taking a diagonal back section. Our cutting angle mirrors the section. The second section follows the same method. Elevation is now directed out at 45 degrees. With every section over-directed to the previous. We continue this method working up and around the head shape. Why and when you would choose graduation over layering. Graduation builds weight and structure. It's perfect when you want shape and strength at the base of your haircut. Layering removes weight and creates softness, movement, and texture. Choose graduation when you need a solid silhouette with controlled volume. Choose layering when you want lightness, texture, and flow. If you'd like a masterclass in round graduation covering the what, whys, and hows, the link will be available in the bio below. We continue this method until it crosses over the graduation from the opposite side. We now move into the back zone, taking horizontal sections to flatten the shape over the curvature of the head. This shifts the buildup of weight and creates a more modern, balanced silhouette through the back zone. To combine the crown zone into the back, we use the length from the previous zone as our guide and take horizontal sections. Each section is directed back with a slight increase in elevation as we move through the crown zone. This helps to maintain continuity with the graduation while building softness and movement through the upper shape. We now move into the top zone, starting with the center profile section and using the length from the crown zone as our guide. We continue by cutting an increased layer, working from shorter to longer, building length and softness towards the front. Every new parallel section is over-directed to the first section. This method removes weight from the back into the front while maintaining weight through the front hairline and around the parietal ridge. It also helps to seamlessly combine the crown zone into the top, increasing length through the top while reducing overall weight. We now take vertical sections, combining the side zone into the top. Using the length from both the graduation and the increased layer, we connect the shapes, maintaining balance and continuity throughout the haircut. We're cutting with a concave or triangular cutting angle to maintain length through the front and remove weight internally. We continue this process until we complete this side. We continue the same technique on the opposite side, adjusting our body position to face the opposite direction in order to maintain the same concave cutting angle and consistency in the shape. To refine the crown, I'm directing my section straight out from the head and lightly dusting over the surface of each section. This helps to ensure seamless layering and a smooth transition from the crown into the top and back zone. To modernise the front corners of my graduation, I take horizontal sections and dust off any excess weight. This flattens the area slightly, creating a cleaner, more modern shape through the side zones. As an option for refining, I'm using scissor-over-comb, combining with point cutting to remove weight and soften the shape. This helps to modernise the silhouette and tailor the haircut to suit the model's hair density and texture. I complete the top zone by removing the corner, which helps create a flatter, more fluid result through the top. I flat wrap the haircut into natural fall before moving into point cutting and refining the shape. When refining the shape, I'm directing my sections the way that they were cut, or in the opposite direction, and gently point cutting to soften the shape whilst maintaining the integrity of the shape. To remove excess weight and add more advanced texture, you'll see how I slice cut through selected sections to customize the finish. For a deeper dive into texture and weight removal, I've linked the masterclass in the bio below. Cut the fringe or bangs to suit your client's features and styling preferences. I'm finishing the look with the tongue to create soft texture and movement. This is my short round graduated haircut with increased layers, a versatile modern shape that's strong in structure and easy to personalize.